Hello everyone, this is Professor Snehal Sonone, Department of Agronomy, Kikewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. And today's our lecture topic is cultivation practices of mustard. So its botanical name is Brassica junci and it is from the family Cruciferaceae, which is also known as the Brassiaceae. It is originated from China, and the major countries where the cultivation of Indian mustard is taken includes the countries like India, China, Canada, France, Germany, whereas major states of India include Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam and Punjab. Now the next point is economic importance or its uses. So it is one of the most important rabi season crop of India, which can be also used as the leafy green vegetable. The whole seeds is generally used for preparation of pickles and flavoring of the vegetables and curry. Its oil is good for cooking as well as frying and pickle purpose. Oil is also used for preparation of vegetable ghee, hair oil, soaps, lubricating oil, and tanning industries. Seeds and oils have peculiar pungency, and that is due to the presence of glucosinoglycerine. Now, the oil cake of this oilseed crop can be also utilized as a cattle feed, whereas the oil percentage is up to 35%. Then for soil and climatic conditions, so as other the rabi crops, it can be also grown on wide range of soil. Soil should be well drained and fertile one, and with the good drainage property, as well as it can be grown on soils having the soils ranging from sandy loam to clay loam with the pH range of about 6.5 to 7.5. For climate, as it is a winter season crop, so it requires nearly cool and dry climate with the optimum temperature range for germination is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, but at the same time frost condition is also harmful for the crop. For varieties, so commonly grown varieties include varieties like Shatabdi, TPM-1, Giriraj, Pusa Mustard 28, Pusa Jai Kisan, which is a soma clonal variety which is produced from the plant tissue culture technique. Then for land preparation, so it requires fine seed bed which can be achieved by one deploying followed by 2 to 3 harrowings. Then in case of seeds and sowing, so seed rate for pure crop is 5 to 6 kg per hectare, whereas for mixed crop it is 1.5 to 2 kg per hectare. Then its sowing can be done in first of fortnight, whereas its sowing depth should be 2 to 3 centimeters only, as it is a very small seed, so deep, sowing in deeper depth should be avoided. Then the sowing can be done by the methods like broadcast, generally by drilling and dibbling. Seed treatment, so before sowing, seeds are treated with Thyram and Captain at the rate 3 grams per kg of seed so as to prevent the seed-borne diseases. Also, it is treated with biofertilizers like Azotobacter at the rate 25 grams per kg of seed. For manures and fertilizers, near about 15 to 20 tons of FIM compost per hectare should be applied at the time of final land preparation or 1 month before the sowing. Then for recommended fertilizers dose, it requires near about 40 kg of nitrogen and 20 kg of phosphorus per hectare, and full dose of fertilizer should be applied at the time of sowing only. Then for irrigated condition, fertilizer dose recommended is 50 kgs of nitrogen and 25 kgs of phosphorus per hectare. At the time of sowing, half dose of nitrogen, that means 25 kgs of nitrogen, and full dose of phosphorus, 25 kgs of phosphorus should be applied per hectare area, and remaining 25 kgs of nitrogen should be applied 30 to 35 days after sowing. Then for irrigation and water management, so its critical growth stages when the water requirement is high includes the stages like stem elongation, flowering stage, pod filling stage, and seed formation stage. Then for weed management, so as we all know that objectional or satellite weed which is found in the mustard crop is Mexican poppy, that is Arjumon mexicana, which is a contaminant of widely used cooking oil, which is derived from mustard seed, and Arjumon has led to outbreaks, so-called epidemic dropsy, in many tropical countries. So for controlling such type of weeds, it is necessary to control them by mechanical methods such as one hoeing and 2 to 3 hand weedings are necessary. Whereas for herbicidal application, you should go for application of pendimethalin pre-emergence at the rate 0.5 to 1 kg AI per hectare depending upon the soil. Then flucloraline 1.25 kg pre-plant incorporation, or you can also go for post-emergence application of isoproteron 0.75 kg per hectare for wheat and mustard mixed system. Then for signs of maturity, so yellowing of leaves, dropping of leaves, color of pods changes from greenish to yellowish and yellowish to brownish color. Then color of seeds turn reddish black in color, seeds become hard and tough. It will give metallic sound when we shake the pods in a hand. So these are some signs of maturity. Then in case of harvesting, crop should be harvested just before the pods open and slightly green in color so as to avoid the shattering losses of crop. Harvesting can be done by means of sharp sickle cutting close to the ground. Harvested material is collected and tied in bundle. Harvested material is kept as such on threshing floor for drying if it is green in color. Threshing should be done by using threshing machine or by beating with the help of sticks. Then the thresh material should be cleaned properly and dried under the shade, and then it is filled in a gunny bags and store it properly. So in case of yield, if it is an irrigated crop, then we will get near about 12 to 15 quintals per hectare of yield, and for rainfed crop we will get 8 to 10 quintals per hectare of the yield of the crop. So this is all about the cultivation practices of mustard. Thank you.